Hi, I'm Joe. Thanks for watching this series on KONI Performance Shocks. Joining me today is my friend Mason. He's over at the tech group over at KONI Shocks. And you know, as a tech, I do get a lot of questions, and I'm hoping you can kind of help clarify this a little bit. Where do we go about adjusting the rebound? Where am I going to set that at once I've installed these great performance shocks on my vehicle?
Sure, yeah, that is a great question. So it's actually our recommendation to go ahead and install your KONI Sport Shocks right at the full stall setting out of the box. That gives you the benefits of, kind of feeling and experiencing the valving that our KONI engineers have designed specifically for your vehicle. And then maybe if you've got a set of aftermarket lowering springs, or you drive the car a bit more spiritedly, adjusting the shock maybe a half to one full turn is where most people kind of find their comfort zone. But there is no real single best adjustment setting for your shock, as it really depends on your driving style and your preference, the roads and tracks that you drive on.
So good advice would be start soft and then work your way into what you feel best for it and go with that.
Absolutely. And most people are going to make adjustments by quarter, half turns until they find their sweet spot. And then once you find your sweet spot, there's limited adjustments that are to be made.
So Mason, do we adjust these while they're already installed on the car, or do we have to do some other steps?
So in most cases, yes, you can adjust the shocks while they're on the car. The car's sitting in your driveway or sitting in the garage. No need to jack the car up. You can go ahead and make an adjustment at the upper shock or strut mount with the included white plastic knob. Now there are a few cases where the design of the car doesn't allow access to the top piston rod of your shock absorber. In that case, those shocks do have to come off the car, be compressed in order to make the adjustment.
That sounds great. I really appreciate that advice, and it's good for everyone out there watching today too.
Thank you.